gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wo iléeṣẹ́ ìkànnì Jugba Master Channel lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára, mo kí yín kú déédé àsìkò yìí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ wo ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn tó níjàmbá ọkọ̀ lójú pópó tí aláàánú ẹlẹ́yinjú àánú kan tó rí wọn ó sì gbé wọn ó di ilé ìwòsàn ìjọba. Kí ló wá ṣẹlẹ̀ nílé ìwòsàn ìjọba ọ̀hún? Ṣeun Agboola lórúkọ tèmi. Ẹ jẹ́ àjọ máa wò bọ̀.
I just see them on the road, carry them. You say people they should bring out the patient. See what you are saying. It's not. You say people they should bring it. You, what are you doing? You don't understand what? I have already bring the patient here. Do you want me to do your work? What are you saying? Oh, it's not your work. You are on camera that you are saying it's not your work. You are on camera. You are on camera. You are saying that I'm recording you. What nonsense? I just assist some people. People are nearly dying. I just assist them. He said, can't you call them? See how this guy, see his situation. See his situation. It's something that you are on record, so. You are on record. I just see some people on the road. I just assist them. You are saying that. Must you open the car? It's open.
Where is what's his name? Elijah.
He die inside the car. No, my sister, I've already did my best for me to see some people there and bring them to hospital. She's saying she's not my distance, it's not her duty, it's not. If it is your relative, can you leave him the way he is? If it is your relative, the person, there's no hand glove. Okay, there's no hand glove. Minister of FCT, Minister of City will see this video. You said there's no hand glove. You see this video viral. You said there's no hand glove in the hospital. No problem. No. I just see those people. They had an accident. I just carried them to hospital. You said there's no hand glove. This is what you said, ba? No problem. Leave him. Let him die there. I am on the video because there's no way. Yes. See the patient. See his situation. Which kind of country? See him. This guy is nearly dying.
People should bring him out now.
People should bring him out. What is your work? Let me Federal Medical Center. No sense. Accident on emergency unit. I brought a patient. All of them are relaxing. Nobody will come and pick the patient. Yes, the guy is nearly dying because they say a leisure or there's nothing like help and carry. I'm here for more than 15 minutes. She can't walk. That's why I'm doing the videos. You don't have manpower. You don't have staff. So let the minister see that at Federal Medical Center there's no staff. Yes. Okay. Not a patient relative. I just see them. They had an accident here. I bring them. You need what? What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? If you don't have manpower, tell the honorable minister, whosoever, that at least you need more staff. Let him die. Bring patient. So let me bring patient. If I bring patient to hospital, you want me to carry the patient, do all the necessary thing for the patient. Okay, no problem. You don't have assistant, no problem. You don't have assistance. Stand up, come inside. Go inside. If they like, let them take care of you. If they like, let them allow you. I will not open anything. I just see them on the road. They had an accident. I brought them to hospital. It's an emergency something. So if you like, leave them, let them die. If you like, take care of them. It's an emergency. If you like...